Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to hide your birthday from showing to people who are not either your friends or whoever list you want to limit from viewing your birthday date. So let's go ahead and open our Facebook application, and then once it's loaded, let me go ahead and search for a friend. I'm going to choose the first person. So when you click on this person's profile, and you're probably going to scroll down and you can see the person's date of birth, right? But on my own profile it doesn't show for some reason. Let me go to my profile, and then you can see it's not showing my date of birth. Okay, it's actually showing my date of birth. So I'm going to teach you guys how to remove this or enable it, how to remove this or not privy to so many people. So go ahead and click on your edit profile right now, and then scroll down to this area that says edit about your info. Go ahead and click on that, and then scroll down to where it shows the person's contact, and then the person's basic details, and then go ahead and click on the icon next to it, which is your edit icon. Click on it. So once you click on the edit icon, it's going to show you some options varying from your date. Now that is the date of birth which I'm using currently, and if you notice by the left hand side it has this icon of 3 images. Go ahead and select that, and then you're going to see different options from public. If you want everybody to be seeing this image, you can select public. But if for some reason you clicked on it and you don't want so many people to be seeing it, just click on more option and it's going to show you more option. So for now, I'm going to say I only want to be the one to see my birthday, so I'm going to select only me. So what it does, I'm the only person that will be able to be seeing that particular birthday. And then for the year also, I can also select an option for the year, and I can still make that to be only me. But you know what? I think I would make my year to be only me, but my date of birth should be public. So I think I'm okay with this option. So once you're done setting it up, just scroll down to the bottom and then click on save. So once you've done that, that's how to change your date of birth to visible to either only friends or to make it to be only you. So if whatever option you choose, you can just go ahead and select that, and that's that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do share the video with your friends if it helped you, because you can help some other people who don't know how to do it. All right guys, see you guys some other time. Don't forget to like and comment and leave a sharing. Just share it with your friends.